Elmo hack reveals major social media cybersecurity threats. The recent hacking of Elmo's social media account has unveiled alarming vulnerabilities in the cybersecurity landscape of social media. Imagine scrolling through X, formerly known as Twitter, and encountering Elmo, the beloved red monster adored by children and parents alike, sharing joyful and family-friendly posts. However, a shocking turn of events occurred when the official Elmo account was hijacked, resulting in the dissemination of hate speech, racist remarks, and political vitriol. This unexpected breach transformed a cherished social media feed into a source of confusion and distress for many. In response, Sesame Workshop, the organization behind Elmo, acted promptly to eliminate the offensive content. Yet, for millions of followers, the damage was already inflicted. This incident was not merely a standard hack, it represented a digital assault on one of the most trusted figures in childhood entertainment. It serves as a stark reminder that in today's cyber environment, no account is completely safe from malicious actors. The implications of the Elmo hack. Hackers are often drawn to high-profile targets, and few brands are as universally loved as Elmo. When they gain control of an account boasting hundreds of thousands of followers, they can amplify their harmful messages, be it misinformation, hate speech, or harassment, on a massive scale. The Elmo incident was not about stealing sensitive information or holding accounts for ransom, it was about creating chaos, fostering division, and eroding trust. For years, Elmo's online presence has been synonymous with positivity and encouragement. However, this single breach severely tarnished that reputation, leaving followers bewildered as to how such negativity could emanate from a character they have long trusted. The brand's hard-earned reputation, built over decades, was compromised in mere moments. In a statement, Sesame Workshop expressed, Elmo's X account was briefly hacked by an outside party despite the security measures in place. We strongly condemn the abhorrent anti-Semitic and racist content, and the account has since been secured. These posts do not reflect the values of Sesame Workshop or Sesame Street, and no one at the organization was involved. This incident highlights the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures, especially for brands that serve as platforms for millions of users worldwide. Understanding why social media accounts are vulnerable. To gain insight into the hacking incident, we consulted Daniel Tobak, CEO of CIPFA, a prominent global cybersecurity and incident response firm. With over 30 years of experience in navigating major cyber events, Daniel explained, unfortunately, many credentials are harvested and sold on the dark web among various threat actor groups, even with strong passwords or multi-factor authentication, MFA, in place. It's possible that someone lost their password or an administrator had theirs saved on a laptop that was compromised in another breach. Once these passwords are collected, they are traded or sold. While brute force attacks still occur, most criminals prefer to exploit easier methods, stealing passwords from previous breaches, directly targeting users, or hijacking password vaults, particularly those managed by social media administrators. Brute force attacks create a lot of noise and can trigger alerts. They are not the most favored strategy and are more due to their conspicuous nature, Tobak added. Signs your social media account may be under attack. Unfortunately, you may not receive any alerts indicating that your account is being targeted. Tobak noted, there isn't any public-facing software that notifies you of such threats. Occasionally, you might receive an email stating, "We noticed unusual activity. Was this you?" This typically comes through MFA channels. However, most executives do not manage their own social media accounts, it's usually handled by a team member or designated administrator. Therefore, if something goes awry, they may not be the first to notice. Hackers can even establish rules that redirect security notifications away from your inbox, leaving you completely unaware of any issues until it's too late. Common security mistakes to avoid on social media. Hackers thrive on complacency. Daniel highlights several pitfalls to steer clear of. Failing to verify your account. Reusing passwords or neglecting to change them regularly. Skipping multi-factor authentication, MFA. Assuming that it won't happen to us. Most alarmingly, Daniel pointed out, most individuals' information has likely been compromised at some point. There are over 4.8 billion passwords circulating on the dark web right now. And remember, never reuse the same password across multiple platforms. I understand it can be tedious, but that's what proper password hygiene entails. Steps to take if your social media account is compromised. If you suspect your account has been compromised, act swiftly. Here's Daniel's step-by-step guide. 1. If you still have access, change your password immediately. Most hackers will quickly alter the password and email associated with the account to gain full control. 2. If you find yourself locked out, contact the platform and provide proof of ownership. Request that they either shut down the account or assist you in recovering it. The good news is that most platforms respond quickly, especially if you inform them that offensive or racist content is being posted from your account. Key steps to fortify your social media accounts. In today's digital age, safeguarding your social media accounts is more crucial than ever. Here are essential steps to enhance your cybersecurity and keep hackers at bay. 1. Create strong, unique passwords. Use passwords that are at least 9 characters long, incorporating uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords across different platforms and update them regularly. Consider utilizing a password manager to securely store and generate complex passwords, minimizing the risk of password reuse. 2. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, always activate MFA to add an additional layer of protection during login. This makes it significantly more challenging for unauthorized users to gain access, even if your password is compromised. 3. Set up alerts for suspicious login activity. Utilize account alerts and limit unsuccessful login attempts to quickly detect intruders. Regularly review these alerts to respond promptly if anything appears suspicious. 4. Verify your accounts with the platform. Whenever possible, apply for official account verification to enhance security and facilitate recovery. Verification can also deter impersonation and foster trust with your audience. 5. Update recovery information. Ensure your recovery email and phone number are current to regain access if necessary. Outdated information could lock you out when you need to recover your account the most. 6. Review third-party app access. Remove any apps or services you no longer use, as these can become vulnerabilities if compromised. Regularly audit connected apps to ensure your data isn't exposed through unused integrations. 7. Back up your content and followers. Utilize platform features or trusted tools to back up important data in case of account loss or lockout. This simple precaution can be invaluable if you ever lose access or your data is accidentally deleted. 8. Install strong antivirus software. Ensure you have robust antivirus software on all devices used to access social media. Regular updates and real-time scanning can protect you from malware and phishing attempts that could compromise your accounts. 9. Consider a data removal service. Minimize your digital footprint by using services that remove your personal information from data brokers and people search sites, especially after a breach. While no service can guarantee complete data removal from the internet, a data removal service is a wise investment. 10. Conduct regular security settings audits. Periodically review your social media privacy and security settings to ensure they align with your current needs. Platforms frequently introduce new settings and features, and staying informed provides the best protection. 11. Exercise caution on public Wi-Fi. Avoid logging into accounts on public Wi-Fi networks or always use a VPN. Public networks make it easier for hackers to intercept your information. 12. Promptly remove former employees or admins. Regularly audit account access and revoke permissions for anyone who no longer requires it. This ensures that only trusted individuals can post or make changes on your behalf. Final thoughts. The Elmo hack shattered more than just a cheerful digital persona. It serves as a powerful reminder that no brand, regardless of its reputation, is immune to the cyber threats of today. In a world where trust can be built tweet by tweet and lost in an instant, safeguarding our digital presence has never been more critical. Social media security is a collective responsibility. Take proactive measures before you become the next cautionary tale in what not to do. Do you believe social media companies are doing enough to protect users and brands from the ever-evolving cybersecurity threats? Share your thoughts with us at cyberguide.com/contact.